Hi everyone! I'm here in one of our Mardel stores. I'm here to just quickly walk you through a few of our education and homeschool aisles, just to give you a better idea how to find things that you're looking for when you're shopping. The main difference between homeschool and education, you can see them clearly marked. Homeschool has your full subject curriculum, while education has your supplemental workbooks. Parents and teachers love these educational supplemental workbooks for extra practice for students, as well as just giving your child something extra to go further into a favorite subject of theirs. You'll find everything organized by subjects and then publishers within those subjects. In homeschool, the only exception is BJU Press and Masterbooks. All of their subjects are right here together. Now, let's say you're looking for math. Let's go find the math section in homeschool. Once here in our math section, you'll find everything organized by the curriculums. So here we've got some Saxon math, over here we've got Singapore, and so on. Note that we have Rod and Staff in our stores only. You will not find this on our website. Once you're here, you can pick up the different books, you can compare and contrast, do your research, flip through, determine which one is the right fit for your child, and then pick your grade level. So here we are in our education supplemental workbooks, our language arts section. So we're going to notice that everything is organized by subjects. So here you've got all of your grammar organized, and then it flows into your writing, and it comes on down to reading comprehension. So let's look for 4th grade reading comprehension. You'll notice that within each publisher, it is sequenced by the grade levels. So it's really easy to find your grade levels. So once you're here in the reading comprehension section, you can look at all of the variety, you can pick up the books, you can flip through them, find what is right for your students, and then locate your grade 4 reading comprehension. Just wanted to point out, we've got all of your timed math drills as well. Let's say you're looking for some hands-on activities to supplement with. So let's look at our science section. Again, everything is broken down by subjects, and here in our science, we have your STEM science, robotics and engineering. We've got astronomy, we've got health and body, we've got earth science, and more. In our math section, we've got all of your manipulatives. We've got your counters for early learners, money management, and so forth. We've got language arts skill builders, we've got your early learning, we've got your sensory learning, we've got arts and crafts, and more. Now, if there is not a Mardel store near you, you can find all of these products and more on our website, mardel.com. You'll find links in our description box that will take you directly to some of these products that we've looked at today. Happy shopping!